Assalamu alaikum, hello and hi, my name is Shoaib Khan and welcome to Maxafter's another exciting product tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll give you overview about this product as in how to change text, colors and some other tips as well, and of course editing some of the elements as well. So are you guys ready? Let's start the tutorial. Well, first thing first, this is the project panel. When you download this file, this is how it will look. You've got a folder here that's logo futuristic revealed here. This is where all the logos are, pre-made logos for you guys. 16 of them, you know, they are all displayed here. 3 of them are displayed here. If you keep on clicking, the rest will also, display here. And then you can watch them, one by one. So they'll keep on displaying here. But of course, you double click them and you view them, right? So this here where you've got all your animations, and this is replace logo here, important folder. This is where you will be replacing your logo. That is very easy. It has got a GFX folder. All you need to do is import your logos and just replace it. I'll show it to you in a second. And this is shapes. This is where all the shapes are, and I've combined these shapes to get, to create these logos. And of course they are all editable, right? And then you can also reuse them and create unlimited, animations like this. Now let's go back to logo future reveal. Let's go and click number 1. This is the first animation, right? And you can see the logo here. Now of course you will be importing your own logo and replacing it with this one, right? So for that we will go to replace logo here. In here we've got GFX. We'll be importing our new logo in this folder to keep things tidy, right? So file, import, file, right? And let's go and import our logo. Let's go and import this Audio Jungle one, right? Now we've got our logo. For example, this is your logo, right? And then you click this composition that says replace logo here. Double click. It opens in a new comp. You can see the background. It has got alpha channel, no background here. So for best results, make sure that your logo hasn't got background. It's saved in PNG or Targa with alpha channel 32-bit. In that case, you can remove the background. If your logo comes with background, it will kill the impact of the animation, right? So the best is, keep it without background. Save it in Photoshop in PNG without background, right? So this is the one. There's also PNG form without background. All you need to do is just drag and drop in the timeline, right? And shut the eye of this one. If you want to delete, you can delete it, but keep it there, just for reference of the size. So your logo, make sure that it is of the placeholder size, right? For full impact. Now, if your logo is big or small, press S on your keyboard and you can increase and decrease and match it with the placeholder template, for example, here somewhere, right? And then shut the eye of the other one. Now, this is the logo without background, right? You have just replaced the logo and that's it. Now go to logo future reveal and click number 1. The logo has been automatically changed and the logo has been changed in all of the animations. You don't need to do it again and again, right? You can see that the logo has been changed in all of them, right? Now that the logo has been changed, let's go and change some colors as well. Logo colors, background color, of course, it can be changed. Color edit here. This is the layer. Open it up, and you got background. Just click here and select your color. Very simple. Color, background color has been changed, right? You can pick some other color as well. You can pick a darker color if you like. So the color has been changed. Now the logo colors, go to logo color And if you put 0, it will have the original, this is saturation. If they are 0, this is your original color of the logo. Now you can change the colors, of course, with the background to match it with the background. And you can also change the saturation, right? Now, you can also have one color, right? In some cases, you sometimes need one color, right? So for that, you go to replace logo here. This is the logo. Shut the IOs, now you know that this is the logo layer. Now go to effects and presets. If it's not activated, go to Windows and activate it from effects and presets, right? Here, right, fill. Just type fill. The fill color will pop up automatically, right? Now go and just drag and drop on this layer. So now this is one color, right? In some cases, it's good, to have one color, but here the logo has disappeared. Now, for example, if you go to the other logo, the earlier one, for example, this one, this is all one color, just a shape, Now you can see the color, you can match it. You can have one color. But you can achieve this one, with this color balance as well. But I'm just showing it to you, you can have one color if you like, right? Uncheck effects, it won't have any effect, right? Anyways, so this was a tip if you want to have one color, right? Just delete it and keep the original. Right, now the logo in this one, you can also change the colors, right? Logo colors, for example, if you want to have something like yellow, and this are you fix the colors. Now you've got gadget colors as well. This is the gadgets, so they are mixed up gadgets. That's why I've named them like that. You can't just name them separately. I've just named them gadgets and sparks and all that. So all you need to do is just check it yourself. If you go in gadget 1, for example, and you change the color of the gadget 1, the whole color has been changed, right? Pretty simple. And then the gadget 2, you go and select, change the color. So this is all changed, right? Then you've got extra shapes, which are probably these ones, and just keep on changing colors to any color. This could be something like sparks, right? This is also some shape color. If you can't, if it doesn't affect, it's there. And then the grid color can also be changed to white. This is the grid color, right? But if you don't want the grid, you just go down here and grid, you just shut the eyes, the grid won't here. Anything that you don't need, you just go and select it, and all you need to do is just select the ones that you don't need. For example, sparks. If you don't need sparks, if you feel it is a little bit busy, you can just shut the eyes of the stuff that you don't need. Right now it's simple, right? And then you've got the text here. This is the text color. You need to go to characters. If it's not activated, go to Windows and activate the characters, character from here, right? And just select it, and different colors applied. You just scrub on top of the one that you need to change the color. Or if you want to have one color, just select this. If you want to have outline, give it an outline as well, and then the outline thickness, you can change it from here, right? So this how easily you can. And if you don't need the logo text, you can shut the eye from here. And see, now there's no bold text. Select this one, and from here, of course, you go and select the bold. You bold the text that you need, right? That's how simple, simple functions. And this is paragraph, of course, you can paragraphing from here. keep it center, right? So pretty simple functions, right? And the sound is there as well. So you've got all kinds of animations, right? This is the one I wanted to show it to you, right? So you go and import your logo again, and in this time I want to import, this one, and double click the logo and shut the eye of the other ones, and this is the one, right? So here the logo has been changed, right? And you can also increase the size if you like. You got a scale here, right? Size can be increased as well. The logo, press S and decrease the size of the logo from here as well. So if you've got some keys applied to it, to the scale. So if you increase and decrease, it will ruin the keys. So a simple way of doing it is just go and layer new and create a null, right? And just bring it down here to near the logo, and just select this and parent it to the null. That's it. Press S and you can increase and decrease the size of the logo without disturbing the keys. So this is one way, now it's externally you are just increasing and decreasing the logo. But here internally, if you increase and decrease the logo, it might, affect the keys. So another simple way is just attach it to a null and then increase and decrease the size, right? There's one way of doing it. And you can do the same to everything. And that's what I did here as well, I just create one scale and I've attached everything to this one, and then increase and decrease everything else. Now let's go and create new one. Go and create a new shape, new composition. For example, 1920, and the time, let's say it's like 5 or 10 seconds. It's a new comp, right? And in here you can just drag and drop and create your own, right? Go to shapes, and then you have got gadgets, right? All you need to do is just drag and drop, right? The gadget is there. Let's add a background, layer new, solid, all right, and toggle switches and turn on these collage transformations, right? Otherwise it will be pixelated. Now this is vector, you can increase it to any size that you like, right? So here somewhere I want to, bring in my logo. So if your logo is here, bring it in here, and let's change the logo, keep the other one. Alright, go to the composition, the new one that we made, name it, and press S on your keyboard, and a frame here, when it starts, press 0. And put a keyframe here. Go frames like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames, and increase the size to probably here somewhere. Then go 1, 2, 3, and bring it down a little bit, to get a wobbly look. So 45, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 100, right? Bring it back. So select these ones, right click, keyframe assistant. If you can't see it, easy ease, right? Okay, this is 49 actually, so I'm going to keep it to 49. Now let's see. See, the logo is there now. It popped up. Now you can spice it up. Of course, you can spice it up by adding some sparks to it. So when the logo pops up, you want to have some sparks as well. Here somewhere. Press S on your keyboard and make the sparks bigger. Bring in more sparks. Right, let's bring in more powerful sparks. We need some powerful sparks. right? So now things are happening, and then the logo comes in, right? Then you've got some powerful sparks as well. Let me see. Yeah, these are the ones, So as the logo comes out, here somewhere, I want the sparks to come out as well. Alright, you can see the yellow sparks. Do the same thing, apply fill to it, and change the colors here. So and this is completely, up to you how you want to change the colors. So this is how you change. Now, you've got some other stuff as well. You've got polygons as well, You can bring in some polygons as well, And press S, make it bigger. Right, the polygons are there. Now what you can do is once the animation is made, you've got gadget 5 here. You want to replace this gadget 5. Select this one and go to polygons and press Alt on your keyboard and select it, and Alt on your keyboard and drag and drop on top of this so it replaces it. Now you'll see, right? And this one, let's bring in this one, right? Now let's see. So you don't need to create it again. All you did was just you replaced, the previous one with the new ones, right? So this is how, you can improve your animations. You keep on, adding and deleting, and then, then you've got some logo styles as well, For example, now select these ones and overwrite with the logo. For example, I don't want this one. I just want a simple animation. You decide to have a simple animation, and then that's how you do it. You can replace it if you don't like it. You can replace it and select this one. See, this is a simple animation, right? Alt and check the one. See how quickly you're just changing it. Select it and then Alt and check the new one. See how it looks. So different styles. You just trying new styles. This is very simple, right? You keep on adding, right? So you've got different styles here. Press S and you can reduce the size. See, and then you can of course add your gadgets as well. Just add gadgets. See, this is how, mix and match. You've got these shapes here, and with these shapes you can just create a whole new animation, right? The way they have created. So you've got 16 of them pre-made, and I've showed to you how to change colors and text and all that, right? Another thing that you can do is, for example, you want to have a reverse. So you've got this one, and you select and create a new comp by this. Now you've got one layer, the same animation, one layer, right? So it comes here and stops. You want to have a reverse. Then you go to edit and duplicate, right? And here you select this icon here, and then you stretch it to -100. It's all stretched, right? Now it's here somewhere. You just drag and drop, drag it out, right? And now see from where this animation, this one, you want to stop it here, right? So edit, split layer, and delete this. Now you want to reverse it, so keep on doing, keep on doing, keep on going. So here it reverses, right? Here somewhere, right? So edit, split layer, and let's make it a little bit faster. The reverse should be faster, right? Now check it out. See the logo made and it reversed, right? You'll see it now. Logo is made and reversed, right? Now you've got sound effect. Just bring in some cool sound effects here. For example, you've got this beep here. See, simple. You've got, what you did. You just reversed the second layer. Duplicated this one and you just reversed it. Very simple. So you can do this with everything else. Now this is made. So what you can do is now you can keep on trying. Select both of them and press Alt on your keyboard and do the same, drag and drop. So this is now reversed for you. You just need to fix the timings and that's it, And you can do the same with the other ones, See, so you created one reverse comp and you're trying, and then what you're doing is you're replacing them with the rest, of the animation, right? So you don't need to create it again and again, right? So this is how you can reverse and keep on, creating more and more unlimited, animation with this, right? So that's how simple it is. Changing colors, text, and of course the shapes, you can they are all editable. If you go and polygons, if you go inside polygon, and here it has got color system as well. You can change the colors from here as well. So I got color system. You can either change it from in here, or you just go out there and change it from there. So it's all editable. So you don't need stuff. You can shut it. And open, and you've got all strokes and trims and everything you can use and and change the whole animation. But be careful, the best is if you want to change something, make a duplicate, add it, duplicate, and just name it, name it my gadget, and now just change this one because this is not used in these animations, right? So keep one thing in mind, that all these animations are used, in these animations. If you change these shapes here, it will affect the whole animations, right? So if you want to try and create new, what you do is it's best is select the shape and duplicate it and make it your layer, and then you can change them, and keep the other ones there. For example, circle. For example, this is the gadget. This is used somewhere in here, right? So now you want to change it. What you do is just add it, duplicate, name it, my gadget, and then you can change it, use it the way that you want to use, so that you don't affect these ones, right? So this is how you can create unlimited animations. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, my name is Shoaib Khan, and thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum and goodbye.